Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So basically I started this YouTube channel on 18th of August 2025 and I already uploaded 3 videos as of now. I am pretty new here and my primary focus is to grow this channel from 0 to 1000 subscribers. So in this video I will share my simple plan and hopefully it can also help other YouTubers like me. The first point is start small but stay consistent. I know 1000 subscribers sounds like a big number and especially when you are starting from scratch, but I'm focusing on being consistent. My plan is to upload every Monday and Friday. 2 videos a week means I'll be having more than 20 videos on my channel within 3 months. Second point is focus on value. I'm not trying to go viral overnight. Instead, I want to make videos that actually help people, whether it's about YouTube growth, tips for beginners, or sharing my own journey. So basically, I want my videos to be useful and relatable. Third point is titles and thumbnails. I have realized that no one clicks your videos if the titles and thumbnails are boring. So for every upload, I'll make sure that my titles are clear and my thumbnails grabs much more attention. Because even if the video is great, without clicks, no one will watch. Fourth point, engage with viewers. In the beginning, I know that I won't get many comments, but for the few I do get, I'll reply to every single comment. That way, I can build a community step by step. Number 5, learn and improve. Basically, if you are planning to start a YouTube channel, don't wait for the perfect time to start. The perfect time is now. Since I have uploaded 3 videos already, I know they are not perfect. But instead of waiting to be perfect, I will learn from each upload. I will check my analytics and get better one video at a time. The last point is uploading YouTube Shorts. Here I am not sure about this point because I have seen many videos saying it mostly affects your channel. Once you upload shorts, you won't get views on your long form content. So here I would like to ask you people, whoever is watching my videos, to advise me, should I upload short form videos or should I stick into long form content? Let me know in the comments. So yeah, that is my plan for growing my YouTube channel from 0 to 1000 subscribers. It might take 3 months, 6 months or even more, but as long as I stay consistent and improve little by little, I know I will get there. And please suggest anything that I have missed out in this video so we can grow together and also motivate each other. And please do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video.